welcome to Mindful Minutes. Today, we'll be doing a 5-minute body scan meditation, focusing on presence and relaxation. This practice can bring calmness into your day. Let's begin. Start by finding a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Allow your breath to guide you into a state of relaxation. Now, shift your focus to your toes. Wiggle them gently and become aware of any sensations. Notice the temperature, any pressure or tingling. As you inhale, imagine the breath traveling down to your toes, bringing a sense of warmth and relaxation. Exhale, releasing any tension or discomfort. Gradually move your attention up to your feet. Feel the connection between your feet and the ground. Acknowledge the support beneath you. Inhale deeply, inviting relaxation into your feet, and exhale, letting go of any tightness or stress. As you move up to your ankles and calves, be present with any sensations you may encounter. Breathe in, allowing the breath to soothe and nourish these areas. Exhale, releasing any stored tension. Feel a sense of gratitude for the strength and mobility of your legs. Bring your awareness to your knees and thighs. Scan for any sensations, acknowledging each part of your body. Inhale, sending a gentle wave of relaxation up to your thighs, and exhale, releasing any tightness or resistance. Feel a sense of unity with your body. Move your attention to your hips and pelvis. Notice the support of the surface beneath you. Inhale deeply, allowing the breath to flow through this area, bringing a sense of ease. Exhale, releasing any residual tension, allowing your body to settle into the present moment. Now, focus on your abdomen and lower back. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. Inhale, expanding your diaphragm, and exhale, letting go of any holding or tightness. Connect with the rhythm of your breath, creating a harmonious flow within. Shift your awareness to your chest and upper back. Notice the gentle expansion with each inhalation and the softening with each exhalation. Inhale, filling your chest with gratitude, and exhale, releasing any lingering stress. Feel a sense of openness and receptivity. Continue the body scan, moving up to your shoulders, arms, and hands. Allow your awareness to permeate each fingertip. Inhale, inviting relaxation into your shoulders, and exhale, letting go of any tension. Sense the energy flowing through your arms, connecting you to the world around you. As we conclude this body scan, take a moment to appreciate the interconnectedness of our experiences. Just as we share this guided meditation, we share the human experience of seeking peace and connection. Inhale gratitude for this shared journey and exhale, embracing the collective energy of those around us. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, allowing a gradual return to full awareness. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this sense of calm and connection with you into the rest of your day. Stay mindful, friends,